In the valleys and mountains of the Pashtun lands echoes a timeless tale of love and longing. The story of Adam Khan and Durkhanai, a poignant narrative of passion bound by tradition and fate. Adam Khan, a young man of courage and charm, and Durkhanai, with beauty and spirit. Their paths crossed and love ignited like the flames of a tribal fire, defying the conventions that surrounded them. But their love was not destined for easy paths. Tribal customs and familial expectations stood against their union, leading to trials of heart and separations that tested the strength of their devotion. The story of Adam Khan and Durkhanai unfolds with sorrow, as fate twists their love into threads of pain and unfulfilled dreams, echoing the harsh realities of a world where love often contends with unbending norms. Their tale, like much of Pashto folklore, speaks of the bittersweet nature of love, immortalized in songs and poetry, reminding of passions that burn bright amidst the rocks and rivers of a proud land. The story of Adam Khan and Durkhanai remains a testament to love's power and the poignant interplay of desire, tradition, and destiny in the narratives that shape our cultures. Their love story, woven into the fabric